Private equity.
Private equity.
Private equity.
Private equity.
Private equity. Venture capital.
Venture debt.
As we move towards the end of 2022, an obvious question that arises is, how have the private markets done in retrospect? There has been a significant shift in terms of what the investors have been expecting in terms of the return, the risk that they're willing to take, and the overall user engagement from an investment perspective. First, and the obvious one, is that there is a significant contraction in terms of the deal value, as well as the number of deals which the markets have witnessed. The trend also indicates that the number of unicorns which got minted this year is also meaningfully lesser than what the market saw last year, and there's a continuous reduction in terms of these unicorns coming to the forefront. Valuations of startups, Series D and beyond, have also come down significantly. Some statistics reveal around 30% and more drop in valuation for that segment, except for angel fund investment, where the activity, the interest, and the valuations continue to be equally robust as was the case last year. That being said, it's not that this has led to a complete freeze in the investor activity in all assets across stages in this space. We have seen meaningful engagement from investor and interest in early stage investment opportunities. Furthermore, innovation will also come in the institutional space, where the funds will experiment with different format of fundraising. What was the focus last year, which was around immense liquidity in the venture capital fund space, this year the tables have turned and the venture debt funds have been doing decent amount of business deploying capital across the capital structure. Considering this, Kristal Private Markets has launched an early stage VC style fund focusing on investment opportunities in India and the US, where there is a connection with the India story. To conclude, we at Kristal Private Markets remain committed to bringing good investment opportunities in the private market space, where there is a very strong need for much more assessment, significant amount of curation and due diligence, investor education, so that the investors pick the long-term winners and not necessarily be driven by the narrative which worked till recent times.